Hi and welcome to Moonworkers. Thanks for watching this video. Today we're gonna see how to create your first employee on Moonworkers. So you'll find this section in this tab here. So you'll have to click on My Employees and then on that call to action here, Add Employees. So you can do it in different ways. So either you start from scratch by clicking on Create Employee, or you can import employees from a previous system, and we'll see how to do that in follow-up video. So for today, we are gonna create an employee from scratch. Again, here you have two ways of creating your employees. Either you create directly an access to them and they will fill in their main details by themselves, or you use the employee wizard to fill out the forms. You will have to follow 4 main steps. It's very quick, but you'll need to retrieve your employees' information beforehand before doing so, because there are some specific questions that we might ask. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to create an access for your employees and let them fill in their personal details. So let's say here I'm gonna create an access for my employee. Let's say my employee has started 2 months ago on the 1st of May. I'm gonna create a working pattern for them. So we are based in England. Working days in period is the main ways of calculating holidays, allowances are in the UK. So I'm gonna select that. And then I'm gonna say that this worker works on a very standard working pattern from Monday to Friday. I'm gonna select that employee standard pattern. I'm submitting, and that's it. This employee will be invited to download Moonworkers app and signing into your company, so they receive their temporary password, so we can log in directly and start filling in their details. Here you'll receive a notification. This worker has to complete their profile. As soon as they are done, you'll get notified again, and you'll have to double check their details afterward. So the second way to create your employees by using the wizard, and by using it you'll have a better view of what kind of information you need to prepare. So this wizard is split into 4 main parts, although very short. So you'll need your employees' personal details, their employment details, how you plan to pay them, and their leave allowances. So let's get started. Let's say I'm just picking a random date.
Okay. So now you can add their contact details, including email, house number, postcode, and country.
Okay, let's say this person lives here, and that's it. So that was quick for their employees' details. Now you'll have to state whether you are hiring a regular employee working on a regular working pattern or a 0-hour contract. So with them, you'll have no obligation to provide any minimum number of working hours per week. So you hire them when you need them. I'm just gonna set up a regular employee, and let's say this employee is a customer success, starting last April, using that pattern here. So you can provide their national insurance number. You'll need their starter details, so only them. So you'll get this information from your employees, and specifically from their P45. So do they have a student loan or a postgraduate loan? Are they starting, or are they an existing employee when you started to use Moonworkers? So A, B, C will depend their P45 as well. If they are new employees, you'll find out on their P45 whether they already worked during the current tax year or not. So here I'm not gonna create a new starter. And if they are apprentice, off-payroll worker, or if they were director during the previous tax year, you can declare it here. And that's it for the employment details. Now you have to let us know how much this employee is going to earn. Let's say this is just a regular employee earning your salary each month and you negotiated a monthly rate with them. That's it. Their allowances. So if you need to make some adjustments, so here they are not a new starter. And let's say since the 6th of April, they already took 5 days. So you just enter -5 and we'll reset the allowances. You can also say when they are gonna reset their allowances. And that's it. We give you some recommended next step. Here they are not a new starter, so we recommend to update their opening balances. I'm gonna show you how to do that in the next video, as well as how to assess them for the pension scheme. Thank you for watching.